Walmart MoneyCard and Cash App Card look similar because both let you spend money without a traditional bank account, but they are designed for different types of users. Walmart MoneyCard focuses on banking-style features, while Cash App Card is built around the Cash App ecosystem. By the end of this video, you'll know the main differences between Walmart MoneyCard and Cash App Card, and which one fits your everyday spending habits. The biggest difference is how you manage your money. Walmart MoneyCard works like a prepaid debit account. You load money onto the card, use it for purchases, and manage your account through Walmart MoneyCard services. Cash App Card connects directly to your Cash App balance, so your spending comes from the money available inside Cash App. If you already use Cash App to send money to friends, receive payments, or manage your balance, the Cash App Card may feel more convenient because everything is connected in one place. You can manage your card settings, view transactions, and control your spending through the Cash App. Walmart MoneyCard can make more sense if you want a prepaid card connected to Walmart services. It is designed for people who prefer managing money through a dedicated account instead of a peer-to-peer payment app. Another difference is how you add money. Walmart MoneyCard offers ways to load funds through supported methods, including Walmart locations and other available options. Cash App lets you add money through the Cash App platform using supported funding methods. Before choosing either card, look at how you actually spend money. If most of your activity happens inside Cash App, such as receiving payments or sending money, the Cash App Card may fit your routine better. If you mainly want a prepaid spending card connected with Walmart, Walmart MoneyCard may be the better match. Security features are also worth comparing. Both services provide ways to manage your card, monitor transactions, and handle account activity through their apps. Turn on available security settings and check your transactions regularly to catch problems early. Fees and account terms can change, so check the current details inside the official apps before signing up. Look at any monthly fees, reload options, ATM access, and other charges that apply to your situation. To sum it up, Cash App Card is usually better for people who already use Cash App regularly, while Walmart MoneyCard is better for people who want a prepaid card connected to Walmart services. Your best choice depends on where your money already goes and how you prefer to manage spending. Before picking a card, compare the features you actually use instead of choosing based only on the brand name. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple money and app guides.